Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your CAT S53. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play and then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So now to choose the source of your document, click on the plus and just click on the desired option. I'm gonna take a photo now. Okay, we're ready. Now you can add the shape to your document. And if you're ready, click on the arrow. Now you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. Like this one. You can also add a graffiti, text, and signature by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. And now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.